Hello, we are an installation company, Tech from Belgium. Today we are at the chicken farm. Here we have a low voltage Pytes system with a capacity of 215 kilowatt hours.
And on this side we have AC and DC coupled PV inverters for optimal configuration for the client. Also we have the removable separation wall to keep the two sides separate for temperature control.
In this container we have this unit to control the temperature,
to guarantee the life expectancy and performance of the batteries.